Here are the 4 parking sensors for this BMW 318i Touring UK model. And I think I have this one not clicking when in reverse gear and ignition on. To remove this black plastic parking sensor carrier, I think we just need to pry out on this side. So yeah, we can just try to pry this everything out. I have got a big screwdriver and I just put some mask tape over, maybe try to protect the plastic. Just put them in there. Yeah, see, you can see the things moving out. Yeah, seems okay. You can see. Yeah, we could just do this way and get them out. You see there are the lips over there. You can see, and then there's the one here. Can you see? And actually here, you can see the lips. So just go like that. And there's the one here. I used two hands. You can see the tap over here. So that the tap get into the silver bumper. So you can see the tap. So we have to remove all the taps. Not far away there. So I will just use two hands to remove all those taps, and we can get this away. So after we have got all the top taps like this one, you can see, and like this one, you can see. After we get them all out, and we have to from the bottom get this screwdriver to the bottom and press them out like this. So it is nearly out. So this is the way how we can remove this parking sensor carrier. I'm going to use two hands to remove the whole thing. So now we can have a good look at this parking sensor carrier. So we can see we have taps here, and then we have taps over there. So all around. So another tab, like at the bottom one. So very similar structure, top, bottom, the sensor, another one here, and the bottom one, top one, and at the end we have here's one, we have one here, if you can see, so my finger there. This is just to get into there. So in my case, it's actually this one. So this is the right hand side rear sensor. To remove the sensor, you can see there's a plug over here. We just need to press this. There's the catch over here. We need to press this to unplug this connection. And you can see over here, there's the tab. It's holding the sensor. So we have to press that tab a little bit up, then remove the sensor. Have the plug removed, just press here, and you can see on this connector here there is a catch over here that just to catch the hole over here. So I just remove this one, and next I'm going to remove this whole sensor here. So I just use one hand to press this up, and then try to push on the other side of the sensor to push it in, I also used a screwdriver. The screwdriver just here a little bit wiggling to just try to help this a little bit up, and also here you can see I put the screwdriver there and just wiggle a bit, and at the same time try to push from the bottom over there. You see, okay, it's going over there. So here the parking sensor removed. That's this side like this. It's a black, and the connector a little bit transparent, a little bit white, and we have a connector inside the 3-pin. So that's the overall shape of the sensor. We have now have the faulty parking sensor removed. Let's try after we remove it what's going to happen if we have the reverse gear, and we can just switch ignition on. So it's still showing faulty, the long beep. So that means 3 sensor it won't work. So we have to replace the faulty sensor and try again. Also notice that we have a tab here, and if you see here under there's the guide on the side. So for the right 2 sensor, the connector is on the right side. For the left sensors, the connector is on the left side. So just the guide at a different direction, and this tab at a different position. So this tab is toward the middle, and also this tab toward the middle. So the guide is actually here on this side. There's the guide, and this one is on the right side, the guide over there. If you see the sensor, you can see the guide. Let me. So you can see the sensor they're here, and this guide actually get into there. So just like that way. So this small catch will get into that tab hole there, and this left side is the guide. So just insert that way. And on the other side of the car, so you just insert the guide. The guide should be that way, so that connector on that way.